Welcome. Today we are going to look at Geography Paper 2, Section A. Answer all the questions in this section. Question 1A. State 3 conditions that favor the growing of oil palm in Nigeria. High temperatures throughout the year, that is from 23 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Plenty of sunshine, high rainfall, evenly distributed throughout the year, deep soils, well-drained soils, low altitude, high relative humidity. Question 1B. Apart from making oil, state 2 other uses of oil palm. The leaves are used for roofing. The stems are used as building poles. The sap from the stems is used for making wine. The leaves are used for making baskets, hats, mats, brooms. The crushed nuts are used for animal feeds. Question 2A. Name 3 areas which make up the Zee reclamation project in Netherlands. Makawad, South Flevoland, East Flevoland, Northeastern border, Waigamit border. Question 2B. State 3 natural problems experienced by farmers at Moyatembere irrigation schemes. Low water levels in the rivers during the dry season. Siltings in the canals reduces the amount of water. Water weeds which compete with rice for nutrients, for example, rhizomes weeds. Pest infestation which lowers production. Incidences of waterborne diseases, for example, bilharzia. Question 3A. State 3 measures that have been taken to conserve fisheries in Kenya. The overfished areas are being restocked. Special hatcheries have been set up for artificial fertilization of eggs. There are laws enacted against indiscriminate fishing. There is control of water pollution through legislation. Research is carried out to expand and improve fisheries. Question 3B. Give 3 reasons why Japan is a great fishing nation. Its cool climate makes preservation of fish easy. It has advanced technology in fish preservation. Japan has a long tradition in sailing. Japan has a large population which provides ready local market for fish. It has an extensive shallow continental shelf. It has cool waters, thus encouraging trade of people to fishing. The meeting of the warm Kuroshio and the cold Oyashio ocean currents results in upwelling of the seawater, thus bringing minerals for the planktons from the seabed to the surface. It has a long forded coastline which provides sheltered water ideal for fishing. Question 4A. Give 2 advantages of using hydroelectric power over other forms of energy. It's renewable. It's non-exhaustible, clean to use, relatively cheaper, easily transported by use of wire cables, easy to use, that is you can just switch on and off, can be adjusted to any fraction using transformers, convenience to use in variety of ways. Question 4b. State 2 benefits that have resulted from the rural electrification in Kenya. It has encouraged setting of industries in the rural areas, that's stimulating decentralization of industries. It has reduced the cutting down of trees as electricity is now available for domestic use. It has attracted social amenities in rural areas, reducing the need for people to move to urban centers. More people have invested in rural areas, which have led to higher standards of living. It has encouraged development of horticultural farming, as there is ideal storage for perishable products. Question 5. Explain 2 ways in which people are affected by floods. People are displaced. Basically, this is being left homeless. Floods wash away bridges. This disrupts transportation. Flooding disrupts farmers' calendar, or rather you can just say floods washes away crops. This leads to food shortage. Flooding causes soil waterlogging, which lowers crop production. Flooding leads to loss of property. Flooding creates stagnant water in which disease-causing pests breed. The resulting diseases that affect and weaken people and sometimes cause death. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.